Pretty cloudy out. Can't say the sun's out. And generating is a 24 volt DC motor. I like to give this solar panel a job. And I hooked it up to this. It's been running for weeks. I guess what would be cool to do would be to put a capacitor bank up and have at nighttime when the sun's gone, the capacitor bank, we'll see how long I can hold the storage to run this. See if I can run it all night based on the charge it puts all day. Be pretty interesting. Mr. Vincenzo, and let me see here. Just got this in, the very best from the Electrical Experimenter, 1916 and 1917. Wireless, shortwave radio, Tesla technology, high voltage projects, electrotherapeutics, much more. Electrotherapeutics are very interesting in this book. It talks about viruses, germs, electricity. They can kill the viruses with electricity, they're claiming, but you gotta be careful. Back in 1916, they put a lot of crappy ass information out there. Here it shows the positive in the front and the negative electrode in the back. It also talks about static. So static electricity acts as a tonic to the circulatory and nervous system. We know by the experiment that a current carrying electrode applied to the region of the eye will produce a sensation of light. If placed at the ear, it will temporarily relieve deafness. Currents may produce numbness or some chemical change or merely physical stimulation. In order to classify these effects on the body, three more terms are used. Electrolysis. Electrolysis is a chemical decomposition of a compound substance due to the passage of galvanic currents. Phosphorus is the property which the galvanic currents possess of driving medicinal substances in solution into the body. Catalyst is a perpendicular effect on the vasomotor system by which nutrients is either accelerated or retarded. From this, it is seen that the subject electrolysis therapeutics demands a preliminary knowledge of the physics, chemistry, psychology, and whatever. Here they're showing negative and positive in your inside here. So anyway, this is cool stuff. So I'm getting into some reading here. This will broaden my experiments. Something I wanted to show you guys before I take this apart. All right. So let's just go ahead and, first of all, this magnet's negative, this magnet's positive. So you just have a coil in here, and I do have the wires connected together. So in through the iron and the reaction off the iron going through the copper, there should be a back EMF going here, and I have the two open ends here of all these wires together, and I'm leaving that open. So let's go ahead and just spin this and just take notice. Also watch the reaction of that one. See that one shaking a little bit? Now watch. It's going to teeter for a while. This is the interesting part I've noticed. So in order for it to be jerking like that, there has to be a back EMF causing that effect. Because it would be like this one where it's stuck still. So now I'm going to turn that one the opposite way. You guys, leave your comments.